In this video, we will show you how to install MiniTool MovieMaker on Windows 11. The MiniTool MovieMaker is a software to edit video with easy user interface. How to install this application? First, you can download the MovieMaker from MiniTool by opening moviemaker.minitool.com here. Okay. After that, you can just click free download. After you click the download, then you can open the file that you just download. After that, in here, you can click install now. If you decide to custom installation, you can just click this. Okay. Then in here, I don't want to participate in customer experience improvement program, so I don't tick here and just click install now. Wait until the installation is completed. It's also depend on your internet connection, how fast the installation will go. After the installation is complete, just wait. In here, you can use free edition, monthly subscription, annual subscription, or ultimate plan. With the free edition, you don't need to buy anything here. For free edition, for the first time use, until 3 videos, you can using the MiniTool MovieMaker without limitation. Okay, but after that, you can just export into the 2 minutes maximum video for free edition without watermark and etc here. And let's see, we can click start now. In here, you can see the MiniTool MovieMaker have easy understanding interface. If you have no free edition, you can just paste your license key here. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to install MiniTool MovieMaker, the easy video editor for Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.